In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide what I'm playing on Discord. If you've ever noticed a little playing or using line appear under your name and would rather keep that private, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off and what to expect once you do. Start by opening Discord on your computer. This works the same whether you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once Discord is open, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area, and right next to your username, there's a small gear icon. Click that gear to open user settings. Inside user settings, you'll see a long list of categories on the left. Scroll until you find Activity Privacy and select it. This is where Discord groups the controls that decide whether your current activity is visible to others. On the right side, look for the option labeled Display Current Activity as a status message. If that switches on, Discord will share the name of the game or app you're actively using when it supports activity detection. To hide what you're playing, simply turn that switch off. That's it. There's nothing else to configure. When this is off, your friends will stop seeing automatic status lines like playing or in under your name. The change applies almost immediately across your account. If it doesn't seem to update right away, give it a few seconds or toggle your online status to refresh. In most cases, no restart is necessary. A few tips for clarity. This setting only controls the automatic activity status. It doesn't hide things like whether you're online, in a voice channel, or streaming. Those are separate parts of Discord's presence system. It also doesn't remove any custom status you might have set yourself. Those are manual and independent. The activity toggle specifically prevents Discord from broadcasting detected games and supported apps as your status. If you also use Discord on mobile, you can find the same activity privacy area in your settings there. Turning the option off on any platform applies to your account as a whole, so you only need to change it once. If you ever decide you want to show your activity again, just return to Activity Privacy and flip Display Current Activity as a status message back on. And that's all you need to hide what you're playing on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.